Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, my dear students, today I am going to start your literature book. Okay. Before starting the chapter of your literature books, let me tell you about when our parents tell us take it easy. Whenever we are in trouble, whenever we are having any problem, then our parents and our elders tell us take everything should be easy. डोंट बी पैनिक, जल्दी से मत डरो, जल्दी से मत घबराओ, टेक इट इजी. कुछ भी हो जाए उसको पेशेंस से उसे सॉल्व करो. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट चैप्टर 1. इट्स नेम इज टेक इट इजी. This chapter has been written by the famous English author Ernest Hemingway. In this chapter, you will read about a boy named Scats who was afraid when he was in fever. Means this story is fully related to a boy whose name is Scats, who was afraid when he was in fever. Whenever we are having also fever, when we are sick, we also in fear. That time our parents also tell us take it easy, you will get well soon, no problem. Okay. So let's start reading the chapter. He came into the room to shut the windows while he were still in bed, and I saw he looked ill. He was shivering. His face was white and he walked slowly as though it aged to move. Act to move. What's the matter, Scats? I have got a headache. You better go back to bed. No, I'm all right. You go to bed. I will see you when I am dressed. But when I came downstairs, he was dressed, sitting by the fire, looking a very sick and miserable boy of 9 years. When I put my hand on his forehead, I knew he had a fever. You go up to bed, I said. You are sick. Means up to here we were reading about a boy who is look like a sick person, who is ill and have a headache, but still he is ready. He is sitting near the fire. Okay. When I put my hand on his forehead, the author said that when I put my hand on his forehead, he knew had a fever. Then I knew that he has a fever. Yo, go up to bed, I said. You are sick. I am all right, he said. When the doctor came, he took the boy's temperature. What is it? I asked him. 102. What the doctor said? When the doctor came and checked his temperature, the doctor said his fever is 102. 102. जब हमें पता चलता है हमें 102 फीवर हो गया है, तो हम कैसे हो जाते हैं? पैनिक हो जाते हैं, डरने लगते हैं. ओ 102 फीवर हो गया, इसको टैबलेट दो, इसके ऊपर ठंडे पानी बर्फ़ की पट्टियाँ रखो इसके सिर के ऊपर. लाइक दिस वी वर फीलिंग. ठीक है ना. Downstairs, the doctor left 3 different medicines in different color capsules with instruction for giving them. One was to bring down the fever, another a purgative, the third to overcome an acid condition. The germs of influenza can only exist in an acid condition, he explained. He seemed to know all about influenza and said there was nothing to worry about if the fever did not go above 104 degrees. This was a light epidemic of flu, and there was no danger if you avoided pneumonia. Here, what happened? The doctor has given 3 different color capsules, and for the different purposes. One capsule is for to come down the fever, second is for the purgative, and third is for to overcome an acid condition. So he wants to reduce the germs of influenza, and he said that if the fever is not above 104 degree, 102 and 104 degree, there was a light epidemic of flu. There was no danger if you avoided pneumonia. Back in the room, I wrote the boys' temperatures down and made a note of the time to give the various capsules. Do you want me to read to you? All right, if you want to, said the boy. He said to the boy, do you want I should carry you? I should give you the capsules on time? He said, okay. His face was white, very white, and there was dark areas under his eyes. The boy was in tension when he listened about 102 temperature. He lay still in the bed and seemed very detached from what was going on. He was he was in fear. He read aloud from Howard Paley book of parrots, but I could see he was not following what I was reading. Means he tried to time pass him, but he was so much in fear, so that he was not listening the reading of the author. How do you feel, Scraps? I said him. Just the same so far, he said. I sat at the foot of the bed and read to myself while I waited for the time to give another capsule. It would have been natural for him to go to sleep. But when I looked up, he was looking at the foot of the bed very strangely. After giving him the prescribed capsule at 11 o'clock, I went out for a while at the house. They said the boy had refused to let anyone come into the room. What happened? He has given the capsule. After giving capsule, he went out for a while, but the boy said no, but not allow anybody to enter in my room. You can't come in, he said. You must get what I have. I went up to him and found him in exactly the position. I had left him white faced, but with the tops of his cheeks flushed by the fever, staring still as he had stared at the foot of the bed. Means he was thinking कि I am very sick, मैं बहुत बीमार हो गया हूँ, और just strangely he was looking on the bed and steadily he was seeing over the foot of the bed. Means टेंशन में था, वो सोच ही जा रहा था कि वो मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. I took his temperature. What's it? Something like 100. I said. It was 102 and 4/10. It was 102, he said. Who said so? The doctor. Your temperature is all right, I said. It's nothing to worry about. I don't worry, he said, but I can't keep from thinking. He said, the boy said that I don't worry, I'm not worrying, but I can't keep from thinking. मैं अपनी सोच में से नहीं निकाल सकता कि I am having 102 fever. Don't think, I said. Just take it easy. I am taking it easy, he said, and looked straight ahead. He was evidently holding tight into himself about something. Take this with water. Do you think it will do any good? Of course it will. The doctor said कि ये मेडिसिन ले लो, it will do any good. कुछ अच्छा तुम्हारे लिए करेगी. But the boy said, of course, कि ये मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा कर पाएगी. Of course, the doctor said, of course. I sat down and opened the parrot book and commenced to read, but I could see he was not following, so I stopped. About what time do you think I am going to die? He said. What? About how long will it be before I die? You aren't going to die. What's the matter with you? Oh yes, I am. I heard him saying 102. People don't die with a fever of 102. The boy think that I am going to die and I am having 102 fever. So like this he was thinking, and he just think I am going to die. But the doctor said, take it easy. You are not having any fever. Oh yes, I am heard this thinking 102. Yes, मैंने सुना था कि मुझे 102 fever है. People don't die with a fever of 102. That's a silly way to talk. I know they do. At school in France, the boys told me you can't live with 44 degree. I have got 102. He had been waiting to die all day ever since 9 o'clock in the morning. वो सोच रहा था कि मैं मरने वाला हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू डाई, क्योंकि मैंने 44 डिग्री सुना था कि द फ्रांस में बॉयज़ बोल रहे थे 44 डिग्री, टोल्ड मी यू कांट लिव विद 44 डिग्री, और मुझे तो 102 डिग्री है फीवर, ठीक है. योर पुअर कैट्स, आई सेड पुअर ओल्ड कैट्स, इट्स लाइक माइल्स एंड किलोमीटर्स, यू आर एंड गोइंग टू डाई, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थर्मोमीटर. वो दूसरा थर्मोमीटर होता है जो उन्होंने 44 डिग्री वाला थर्मोमीटर बताया था कि उतना फीवर होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ अ डिफरेंट थर्मोमीटर. ओ दैट थर्मामीटर 37 इज़ नॉर्मल, उसमें 37 नॉर्मल होता है. ऑन दिस काइंड इट्स 98, लाइक दिस अगर हम उसको काउंट करें तो इट्स 98 ओनली. आर यू श्योर? एब्सोल्युटली, आई सेड. इट्स लाइक माइल्स एंड किलोमीटर्स, यू नो, like how many kilometers we had when we do 70 miles in the car. Means he has explained him that, you know, like how many kilometers we had when we do 70 miles in the car. 70 miles हम जाएँ तो कितने किलोमीटर्स होगा. Oh, he said, but his gaze at the foot of the bed relaxed slowly. Now अब वो जो एक टक लगा के बेड के फुट को देख रहा था, now it's changing. वो अब डरा हुआ नहीं लग रहा था. द होल्ड ओवर हिमसेल्फ रिलैक्स टू, अब नाउ ही इज़ रिलैक्सड. फाइनली द नेक्स्ट डे इट वॉज वेरी स्लैक एंड ही क्राइड वेरी ईजली एट लिटिल थिंग्स दैट वर ऑफ नो इम्पॉर्टेंस. मीन्स इट वॉज वेरी स्लैक मीन्स शोइंग लेजीनेस, नेग्लिजियंस. ही क्राइड वेरी ईजली, वो जल्दी से वो रोने लग जाता था. देर दैट were of no importance, उसकी कोई importance नहीं. So our chapter has completed over here. This story is totally related to the boy who just feel that, oh मेरे को तो 102 fever हो गया तो so I am going to die, I will not leave now. But the doctor said that take it easy, you are not having this much of fever, you just take care of you. So our chapter has completed here. You can also read this chapter thoroughly. Read the word meaning. See here, first the meaning of miserable is unhappy. Whenever we are not happy, that the meaning of miserable is unhappy. Now next is purgative. Purgative means laxative. Okay. Gaze is to look steadily as a thing or person. मतलब एक टक लगा के देखना. Epidemic, a disease spread in an area. That is also meaning is we should know easily. Strangely, in a surprising way, in a surprising way. Slack, showing laziness or a negligence. This you have, this word meanings you have to write in your notebook. First of all, you can draw the picture and then write down this word meaning in your notebook and send to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.